that madness. This should be the fun part, assuming there's not too many semis out today. Yeah, that's what I don't like about this street. Very fun until that happens. You're not paying attention. I hate this intersection. It's so fucky. You letting me? Just got stuff coming. Alright, okay. Thanks, bud. Good.
Okay, so if you turn it on here, you should be able to make it interfere with your radio.
Hey, there we go.
Now, you can bring the generator over here, put the output to here, and ground it to the wire plant. You understand?
There we go.
Move it there.
Oh, yeah, yeah. There we go.
It's sitting on the floor.
There we go.
Try there. See if you can get it to interfere more.
Yeah, there we go.
You hear it pretty good?
Yeah.
Let's go up to the house. Just take the radio.
Can you hear it? He wants to shut off the...
I should be fine with the headphones, I think. It'll be real obvious.
Is it?
It's like on off. Yeah.
Oh, it's at...
Yeah, yeah. So we're basically just running a whole bunch of like nonsense radio signal through the wire. So it'll just put out a whole shitload of static as soon as we get near it. If it works. Like if the wire broke or anything like that, it's toast, but fingers crossed.
Just come along here. Just go along the base of the... Is it there?
Yeah.
That's where it should be. We all decided that...
Yeah. When you get down here, somewhere right around here, it gets real strong. Did you hear it?
I hear it click.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear it?
Listen, you listen.
Like somewhere, I mean, I can't hear it right now, so I can't tell, but you hear that coming in and out?
Yes.
Yeah, and then if I go, gone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's got to be like
Right here.
right around here, I think.
Okay.
Right where, like, you got that aimed down right now, it got real... You can hear the pitch.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, like right, almost right where your foot is.
Oh, yeah, well, when I had it over
there.
there, it was screaming just like that.
Yeah, so you bring it back over.
So that's just regular radio noise, huh? Coming hooked up there.
Yeah, it's a signal generator, and we got it tuned into an interference at the low end of the project. That's really neat. Thank you.
Yeah. It's got to be here, because it's real loud on the other side of this wall, right as it comes up the building.
Okay.
Like that, like right in here, over by that, you know, like here.
He was right on. Your thought was right on.
Like it should be right around here, you know.
Yeah.
And nothing.
Nothing. That's awesome. Because he kept telling me, you know, you see the water line back here?
No, I never looked at it.
There's where it comes up from the concrete.
Oh yeah, okay.
And
So
it's
then,
literally almost straight.
yeah. It's real strong in here, like.
And that's his wire, right?
Yeah, that should be. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the other side.
That's it.
You get it right there. It's real strong. Yeah, it starts to go away. I mean, it's kind of tougher to pick up in the house because you get interference from everything else around when you got it cranked out like this.
That's cool with the concrete and stuff. It still comes up. You still pick it up enough.
Oh yeah. Well, the way it works, you know, AM bands are real wide, so like you can't fit as many like pulses into a second, but they'll go through more.
That's
FM, you get more, you know, it sounds better, but it's because there's more pulses coming through, so a little bit can disrupt it and you won't be able to hear anything at all.
You're right, Mr. Sheriff. That's where it was at. It's basically splitting, just like you said, right down the middle of the house there.
Yeah.
That's great.
All right.
There we go.
That's great.
Oh
I'm
man.
happy. I didn't want to have to go digging around gas lines.
Oh
and
yeah.
stuff.
Well, I was worried it wasn't gonna work. I didn't think, because like, you know, if there's a break in the wire or anything, we'd have been hoping. It's funny. I got this radio, and my dad's like, "What are you gonna do with that thing? You know, what you gotta use your phone." Yeah. Well, but just saved us some money.
You can tell them. You can make a video if you want.
Well, another successful trip to the grandparents. You know, managed to help them out again. Always happy to do that. And I guess I learned something, which more than I could say on most days. How about that? Dad says the nice thing about his Harley is you can lug it, but that was all below 2,000 RPM.